Hey guys, what's up? So today we show the top mystery tweets 5, 11, 12, 13 with 13.7. First tweet's called audio mix. This is basically what this tweet does. Tweet to play 2 or more audio sources simultaneously. This doesn't work well with all apps, so if it doesn't work, then sometimes the first audio still gets paused, so you have to just start it again. This tweet's called flexible, and basically it's a tweet that hinges and disables the debugging tool Flex in any application, including the Springboard. This tweet we have is called Flexin, open Flex anywhere. This is called CC modules, increase usability of your control center. This is called Evo Scheme and change default browser, package manager, navigator, and more. This is called Auto AirPlay, choose audio AirPlay devices automatically. This is called Yobon Pro, the best utilities in your Springboard. This is called Floating Dock, and basically iPad-like dock for the iPhone. This is called CCO. This is called Cinemo, and battery right on your dock, display your battery in your dock background. This is called Smart Battery, and the ultimate tweet to monitor and save your battery. This tweet is called Cuttlefish. Basically, is are species of marine animals which have the ability to change their color based on their surroundings. Cuttlefish colors the background of shortcut menu blurs to match the app icon color. This is called iWhatsApp. Also, tweet that applies to your WhatsApp messages automatically for you. This is called Ainsworth, the connected experience you deserve. This is called Lower Install, install apps in lower iOS version. This is called iPhone Delivery. And basically with this tweak, it's an application enabling delivery reports on sent SMS. This is called Delete Forever. So we tweak to add extra options to delete permanently a stock Photos app. This week is called Custom Notifications. Custom notifications on iOS 13 and above. This week is called YouTube Lite. And basically it's a YouTube Plus alternative to these features for YouTube. This is called SoundCloud Plus Plus, or SoundCloud Plus. And it's basically like no ads, high quality enabled, dev mode enabled for SoundCloud. This is called Fake Picture, and used for taking fake pictures when the app actually has to take a picture of selfie from the iPhone camera. Replaces an other image that you have. It's good enough for privacy. This is called Alawwal Mobile, and basically no option to configure. This is called Saudia. This is called Heart. First tweet for Like E that can save videos and help you automatically follow new users. This is called Smooth App Library, and new tweet hides the forward background of the new app library feature introduced in iOS 14. This is called Turtle. Tweet for Triller that can save videos and help you automatically like videos. This is called QQ. QQ verification, clean QQ for you. This is called Lego theme with stock icons looking like Lego plus Etsy on Lego. This is called Activate Command. Create use activator events like double tapping sleep button for automation tasks such as turning on off lights or starting a coffee machine. This is called Dawn. Customize dark and light mode. And you guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.